Join us on Wednesday, May 6th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time for a webcast auction of an extremely rare offering of complete precision gun drilling shop equipment. Featuring 2018 Pressahole BVN 150P1 2500 CNC deep hole drilling machine. 2Ks Dehoff 2084 HTCNC gun drills. As new as 2012, Eldorado M75X15 deep hole gun drill. 4 LeBlanc large capacity gun drills up to 75 feet long. 2 CNC vertical machining centers, a Haas VF4SS and a Haas VF3SS. 4 CNC turning centers, a Haas Street 30, a Haas Street 20, a Daewoo Lynx 200L and a Daewoo Puma 200. Traveling bed straightening press, Sunnen HTA 2100 tube honing machine. Engine lathes, surface grinders, saws, tool room, a 2017 Chevy 3500 HD stake bed. With less than 25,000 miles, Toyota forklift. A huge assortment of gun drills and tooling as well as a complete quality department including a Keyence XM series handheld probe CMM, a Keyence IM 7020, Ottessa Micro Height CMM, optical comparators and much more.